My name's Travis Love. I'm from Prairie du Chien, Wisconsin. So I own a shop. We detail, sell some cars, window tint, stuff like that. It's something I always kind of wanted to do, and there's not a lot of it in my area, so I figured I'd come out, learn it, and hopefully make some money. The first 3 days it was a little rough. You know, you got to learn it, and it takes a lot of patience. Second week coming in, things are going a lot faster. It's clicking, it's coming together for me, so it's getting there. So we start out first week, it's basically just on the hood with the hood stand. They do some drills with you, make highs, tap them down, make lows, push them up. So basically just a lot of base building or block building, you know, to get a good base, and then you learn from there. And then second week, which today is my second week, we started on the car Friday, and we're still working on the car, and things just go a lot quicker your second week. Just keep going with the PDR and start doing the cars that come into my lot, and hopefully customer cars and some wholesale cars, stuff like that. So just any cars I see that have dents, I'll be asking them if they want them pushed out. Thank you, Ding King.